What I'm starting to pay a little bit more attention to now is, we saw this about 12% correction or so in Nasdaq in March, and we've seen the big 25% move coming out of that over the last 5 weeks or so. What's sort of interesting to me is that Mag 7, there's not like full leadership amongst Mag 7 in that move back to all-time highs. So only 4 out of the 7, so it's still more than half of them are now back to all-time highs, but you still have a few of them that are not participating. When things broke down back in 1999, that's kind of what it looked like, is you had like this broad, leadership amongst the winners, and then like a few fell off, and then a few more fell off, and then there was like one that was still like kind of everything was concentrating around. So I'm kind of paying attention to how Mag 7 is performing. We've got a chart in here just showing like equal weight. And this is not back to all-time highs of the S&P 500, which is interesting because the S&P 500 is back to all-time highs, and it's sort of showing you that there's not like broad breadth, broad participation. So last Friday, the S&P 500 closed 7.7% above its 50-day moving average, but only 52% of the components of the S&P 500 finished above their 50-day moving average.